family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And hopefully you checked out my full in-depth review of the Jordan 1 Lucky Green joints. So now I gotta show you how to style. This is where I just put up some pieces to kind of match the sneaker the best way possible. I'm gonna focus on the dark green more than the lucky green, so this review will actually even help you with the pine green 1.0s or 2.0s, but just some pieces I thought looked fire. Nothing too crazy. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So with this video, I'm gonna do it backwards. I usually do like the hats last, but let's go. Number one on my list is the Fear Guard green fitted. Like, they were meant to be with each other. Like, this hat and that sneaker was meant to be for each other. You know, that light lucky green look, not like pine, not like a leaf, just that lucky green. You got it here with the Fear Guard hat. These been on sale lately. $40, $45, good steals and deals with these. This Devil Rays hat I like a lot because it has a little bit of that green and it has a darker green in it, so a dope look. I know the Seahawks ain't been winning in a long time, but this hat is a dope match, especially with the blue. If you're going to do some blue denim, dope look, new era. It should be easy to find this hat. Go to Fanatics.com or NFLshop.com, type in Seahawks. And this here is a TMT Mayweather hat. I guess you could get it somewhere on the internet. I got this hat so long ago. I think Mayweather's last fight, real fight. But it's a money, just make it. That green screams at you, lucky green, TMT, even green bottom. Now let's get into some streetwear. I like this all classic Supreme tee. I know it just says Supreme in the front, but it matches the black of the Jordan 1 Lucky Green. But when you turn it around, there go a green Greta. This is the Supreme Greta tee, and this match is perfect, guys. You got classic on the front, Supreme. Then you match that green on the back with Greta. This shirt is affordable, StockX Gold for about $60. Staying with Supreme is the Rick Rubin tee. This green is kind of the same green that you get inside the shoelaces, laced up with the Lucky 1 greens. Could be a little lighter, but definitely could get matched up, get away with it in a dope outfit. Rick Rubin tee, I love it. This colorful Versace tee. I know it has a lot of colors, but if you look real close at the shirt, the green is the colors that's popping out at you. It's the green for me, for sure. And believe it or not, this is one of the affordable Versace shirts. We talking under $150, so nothing crazy. But just look at the green, guys. A lot of green. Shorts. Now look, man. I know these shorts are all purple, but look at the bottom. You got that lucky green stripe. I like it. I also like it because you're putting some diversity to an outfit that's like a sneaker that's predominantly black, white, and green. You give it some purple, you give it some orange, and then you hit them with that green also. But when we talk about green, it's one team comes to mind, and that's the Boston Celtics, guys. Like, you see the lucky charm there. I mean, a lucky charm. The 4-leaf clover, it does mean lucky. It is a lucky charm, if you get what I'm saying. But Boston, that's what you think of when you think about green. Even if you're not a fan, as y'all know, I'm a big Laker fan, but when you need something green, this is the match. Another green team I really like too, though, is the Milwaukee Bucks. And again, with these shorts, you giving it some more color. Instead of just all the green, you add some purple, man, and I really like it. All the shorts I showed y'all are Mitchell & Ness. They under $100. Mitchell & Ness be having a crazy sale. You get 15% off just for going to the doggone website. So that says that. And look, I still ain't even wear these ones yet. I know some of y'all say I never do pants because usually with a sneaker is either going to be black denim or it's going to be blue denim. But this time I'm going to do some pinks because it's unique. It's green denim. And this here is Moschino. And I like the look, especially if you want to go all out green on them. I like the Moschino look, guys. About $150, but I brought these from a department store that doesn't exist anymore, Century 21. So I'm not sure how you can acquire these, but green khakis is definitely dope. You get those from Forever 21 for the low. So I think the green on green look is dope. Yes, sir. So this was a how to style on the Lucky Green joints. The pine green joints, you may could get away with some of that I put in here. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.